Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that VOOI token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, VOOI is the DeFi super app, a decentralized Robinhood style platform that features an aggregation engine for perpetual spot and yield markets. VOOI aims to democratize access to decentralized finance DeFi trading, much like Robinhood decentralized traditional stock trading, by simplifying access to complex perpetual and spot decentralized exchanges and aggregating liquidity. VOOI empowers a broader range of users to participate in advanced crypto trading strategies without the traditional barriers. VOOI basically provides access to all crypto instruments without primitives like bridge, gas, chain, and wallets. Just trade, invest, stake, and do everything in VOOI. VOOI is a decentralized DeFi super app that aggregates perpetual features, spot trading, and yield markets into one unified chain abstracted interface aiming to simplify advanced crypto trading. Wolf token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 244.21 million Wool token. Wool token is listed on Bybit, Binance Alpha, KuCoin, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.